These are the new deals. You got a Porter one get one free. You buy a Whisper series. This one. New DeWalt deals just dropped. Yes, the new buy one get one free. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. As you guys do see, they still have those Labor Day deals, so make sure you guys check them out. Especially from last week, make sure you guys go on over to my last week video if you want something a little bit more in depth of the Labor Day deals. Today I'm gonna put just an update of what the stores have in today. So $29.98 for this mechanics tool set. This is a nice socket set. It does have some 6 points and some 12 points. All right, so organization for the garage for the shop, $249 down from $299. This is a Kobalt 4 tier, 72 inch by 77, $114 down from $229 for this racks. These are all on clearance, so make sure you guys check them out. There's a lot of good ones you guys could buy if you guys got the system. So this one's like a workstation. It is foldable. You can fold it to the wall. It says Gladiator fold away. This one's $114 down from $229, and then this one, this rack or shelf is $37 down from $74. Those are pretty dang good deals on those prices. You got a works 2.0 amp battery for $24. This is the clearance section, and then we got a rechargeable LED neck light, 300 lumen. This one's $38 down from $42.48. All right, we got an inverter, 300 watt inverter if you're in the 40 volt line. This is the way to go for you. This is $79.99. You got a reciprocating style 24 volts. This one's 103 on clearance. I'm pretty sure these are going to go down even lower. All right, we got a circular saw. This is 6.5 for $10, 17. A 7 1/4 24 tooth for $847 down from $998. And then you got this one. This one's a joiner, speed joiner, $269 down from $299. You got the 10 amp from the Craftsman, and then you got grinder. This is a bench grinder, $170 down from $189. You got a Porter cable single bench grinder, $55. That's very inexpensive. Definitely jump on that one. $379 down from $749 for the dishwasher. There's a lot of good appliances. I'm not gonna go over all of them. Was a lot more. This is what the big DeWalt section looks like. We got a whole bunch of tools to go on over. All right, so $179 for the 2 6s, $129 for the 2 4s. You got a 3 amp hour for $39. It's very inexpensive. That's actually good. Stock up on those. $99 for the 3 amp, 5 amp starter kit. $299 for that 3 tool combo kit. There's the woodworking combo kit. That's pretty good. Less than $100 a piece. That's really good. You got the cordless screwdriver for $99, and then the speed hammer drill, the hammer drill for $119. Well, $998 for this high visibility vest. It is $498 for these work gloves with touchscreen capability, A1 cut level, touchscreen, all that stuff. You got reliable pack foam earplugs for $998. You got a 50 pack. NRR33, and then you got some nice sleeve t-shirts, long sleeves t-shirts for $19.99 from the DeWalt if you want to support your favorite brand. All right, so you got this is their Bosch laser measure, and then cross lines. Got red, green, whatever. There's different ones. All right, so buy one, get one free. They still got these deals. Yes, we went over them last time. That's why we're not going to go over them this time. But these are still pretty solid deals. You got a miter saw. You got you got the tower light there. Reciprocating saws. Yes, this is for the blades. $24.98. This is a really nice set. This is 16 piece. It does include some metal, wood, and pretty much a nice case, clear case. Made in the USA with global materials. So that's pretty nice. All right, so more DeWalt $998. 7 1/4 24 2 circular saw blade. It says new. It is framing, so keep that in mind. All right, so you got $229 for the power pack battery. This is an 8 amp hour battery. $349 for the hammer drill kit. $349 for the circular saw kit. $349 for the reciprocating saw kit with an 8 So definitely check them out, guys. And then you got, guys, these are the new deals. Yes, these are the new deals. Buy one get one free. So you select uh, a free tool. Yes, you select a free tool when you buy this kit. So, or when you buy this battery. So this is an 8 amp hour battery for $199. We'll get you a free tool, reciprocating saw, angle grinder. I do have that angle grinder. The thing's a beast. Circular saw, hammer drill, and all that. So that is the reciprocating saw. It is a power detect, so you guys know top of the line XR from DeWalt. And then you got the circular saw there. Power detect, obviously the hammer drill. That thing's a beast. It's proven itself over the years. It's just a big tank basically. So definitely check it out. These are all new deals. Alright, some more DeWalts. If you guys don't know, these are Whisper series. These are like really, really quiet vacuums. Great for the job site. If you're working with customers' home, these are great because they are really, really quiet. These are like the Cadillac face, basically, of the vacuum. So $119, down from $139 for that 12 gallon. And then you had the 9 gallon up above that one. So $169 impact driver or drill driver. $279 for the hammer drill and impact driver. Or you got the 4-tool Comica for $379. Those are all solid deals. But check this one, $249 for this one. This was a hammer drill, a drill and impact driver. All right, so they got these sockets on clearance. It's a really nice set, $27 down from $54. Definitely pick these up, guys. I didn't pick these up because I already have a lot of them, but that's a good deal. This is the kit that's $249. Does include a circular saw, 4 amp hour battery, 2 amp hour battery, charger in a bag. All right, so 8 amp hour battery does qualify for a free tool, as we did see before. This is down to $10.30.24. You got the Bosch, same thing. You buy select battery, get a free tool. Again to the $10.30.24. All right, these are on clearance. These are the subcompact drill driver combo 107, subcompact impact driver for $83, 2 batteries, case, and subcompact drill kit for $77. Obviously, the impact driver and drill driver for $100. That's the way to go, is save some money. All right, so buy one get one free on the 12 volts. You get a free battery with the purchase of any of these tools. Oscillating tool, 100 reciprocating saw. That is the battery you're gonna get for free. That is $99. With the purchase of any tool. So that's 100 reciprocating saw. You got the oscillating tool. Remember that the tool is blade change with that oscillating tool. Circular saw. These are all All right, so buy one get one free. You buy any of the nailers, you get a free triple hammer impact driver. That's a killer deal on this one. $369 for the coil sliding nailer, 15 degree. And it does include that impact driver already inside that box. This is a framing nailer. You guys know these nailers are top of the line. Metabo's been out there with those nailers since day one. Basically, they've been pretty solid on their nailers. All right, so $17.98 for that drill bits piece. That's it right there. And then at the bottom, you got the drill driver power cord 12. Definitely check those out. Those are great DIY tools. Same thing with these. Buy one, get one free. So you get that free starter kit when you purchase a tool. So that's a pretty good deal. Circular saw, 100 reciprocating saw, angle grinder, and the radio are available for that deal. All right, this is another deal that they got going on. $99, 277 mechanics tool set. It's actually a pretty solid set. This one's for the Labor Day deals. I believe they changed the deals. The other story was Labor Day. This one's just a special buy. All right, so these are all on clearance. 12 for $27 for all these pouches, these holders. So just different ones. They got a whole line of the whole bottom row, basically, of the Kobalt belt accessories there. So that's pretty good. All right, so toolbox. This is a really nice toolbox that we went over it last time. Again, I'm just going to show you guys. This is actually a pretty $398 from $498. That's pretty good, especially for that. All right, let us know that in the comment section. Let us know if you find any better deals at your Lowe's or any better prices compared to these. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. That really does help out the channel, so help us out. Thank you.